Hello everyone, welcome back to this new edition of the Best Place in Paris with the Ricoh GR3. We have a new guest today, which is the new street photography edition of the Ricoh GR3, and I'm very pleased to be able to play with it today. So we'll be touring around the 13th district in Paris, especially to the Olympiade and the BNF, and we have a great day today with a lot of sun, and it's going to be very great because we're going to be able to play with shadows, lines and contrast. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and please leave a comment to support the channel. So let's go! So now we are at the Olympiade place, which is in the center of the 13th district. It's a big architectural landscape which have a lot of towers. What is interesting here is that when you look at your frame, it's different about what your eyes see and what the camera is going to see. Okay? The thing is that you look at the highlights right here and the highlights right there. Okay? And so all the time when you look at this, you're sure that if you do the exposure on the highlight, everything that is going to be in the dark is going to be darker. In this case, you have two difficulties. First of all, to do the right metering. Okay? So what you can do is you can memorize the metering if you use like AV mode, aperture mode or speed mode. But what I like to do myself is that I use the M mode, so then I can have my aperture and my speed at the right pace. Like this, and have, tac. Allez-y, c'est bon, merci. Merci. Missed. What I do usually is that I check the weather first before I come to a location, and then I look in some application on my Google Store, which is a Sun Surveyor, which is very nice because it can give you from the time to time where the sun's gonna be. So this is how I usually plan my trip or my journey to any location. The right moment for me for shooting is when it's earlier in the morning, like around 10 or 11, and as well in the afternoon after 2 or 3 o'clock. So then you will not have the sun on the top of you, so you'll be able to have some nice shadow. So the light is not too harsh, and so you will not have, like as you can see my eyes right now, because the sun is very above me, so I have my eyes looking like this, and you have shadows that gives me some black eyes. And also when the sun is getting a little bit lower, you have some nice color that pop up, and as well as the light is softer, a little bit softer, which is very nice as well. We are here on the Boulevard Auriol, which is a great place to do street photography because it's a very long boulevard that has the sun all the way down, and it's very nice. And also it's a great place to take picture of street art. You can have some street art in every corner and every big building that you have, which is a great inspiration. So do not hesitate to come there, to go there and to have a look, take pictures. It's a great way to spend some time, and you will get some great shots anywhere on this boulevard. Most of the time there is two main profiles in street photography. Once we can call the fishermen, on the other side the hunters. What I mean is that the fishermen are more people who wait for the action to come. So most of the time you get to some place, do your frame, and then wait for something to happen. On the other side, you have the hunter, which goes for the action and try to find the action as fast as possible. So we follow the subject as well as looking to try to track your subject. Now we're going to the next location, which is going to be our last location today, which is the BNF, the Bibliothèque Nationale de France, site François Mitterrand. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's go. What I like about this location is that, as you can see, there's a lot of people who come here not only for the bibliothèque, but as well to hang around, to take pictures, to run, to meet some other people, or to do some arts in any kind. So it's a very friendly place, and it's a very artistic place, and also a very great place to do street photography, because there's always some action you can play with. Which is great as well is that if you come here, try to come at the end of the day or in the afternoon, so you can have a nice light who's gonna be able to shape the place and give you some nice shadow. There is a new feature on that GR3 Street Edition, which is the full press snap. It allows you to do the snap mode directly on the LCD screen, which is very nice because you don't have to press the shutter, you just need to have a tap on the screen and then it will immediately take the picture. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and do not hesitate to leave a comment. We hope to see you soon on the next video about the best place in Paris through street photography with the Ricoh GR3. Thank you very much. This is Tommy speaking. See you soon.